how to download Minecraft on Xbox Series S or X. First of all, starting on the home page dashboard of your Xbox console, scroll up until you see the search bar on your left stick. Go ahead and just scroll along. Click A on the search bar. Then just go ahead and type in Minecraft. Then you will see a bunch of different options to get Minecraft. So if you want a specific one, maybe you want the DLC or whatever, but most of you will just want the regular Minecraft. So you have to kind of scroll down on it. So in this Minecraft section here, scroll down until you see this one where it's just Minecraft and nothing else. Click on that, then you will be able to click download right there if you have the Game Pass. If not, you will have to join the Game Pass. You can buy the Game Pass Core or the Ultimate. You've got two different options for that one, but you have to join Game Pass, then you'll be able to go ahead and download Minecraft after that. That's how it's done. Leave a like on the video for help and subscribe for more helpful videos.